Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In 2025, connecting your Zen to a PS5 controller is possible, but it absolutely requires a specific, updated approach. Gone are the days of simple plug-and-play due to significant firmware changes and hardware updates introduced by Sony. We've spent countless hours testing to bring you the singular, proven solution that guarantees seamless gameplay and controller compatibility. This isn't just a workaround, it's the only reliable method for true integration moving forward. Before you begin, gather your essential components for this unique setup. First, ensure your Cronus Zen device has the absolute latest 2025 firmware installed. Older versions simply will not work. You'll also need a high-quality, specifically licensed USB 2.0 data cable, as generic cables can cause connection instability. Finally, have a compatible PC or Mac ready, loaded with the most recent version of Zen Studio software, which is crucial for the necessary configuration steps. Now, let's establish the crucial physical connections. Begin by connecting your PS5 controller directly to the A3 port on your Cronus Zen, using that licensed USB data cable we just discussed. Here's the critical part for 2025. You'll need a specialized, actively powered USB-C to USB-A adapter. This specific adapter plugs directly into your PS5 console's front USB-C port, and then your Zen connects to the adapter itself. This ensures proper power delivery and data flow. Once physically connected, it's time for the vital software configuration within Zen Studio. Launch the application on your computer and immediately navigate to the device monitor section. Verify that your PS5 controller is correctly recognized and displayed as an active input device, which indicates a successful physical link. The final critical step is to load the exclusive PS5 controller protocol script, which is specifically designed for 2025 compatibility and found only in the latest Zen Studio updates. This script makes it all work. With the script loaded, one final, crucial step remains. Power cycle both your PS5 console and your Cronus Zen device. This allows the new settings and loaded protocol to properly initialize and take full effect, ensuring a stable connection. If you encounter any issues, meticulously recheck all your cable connections and confirm that your specialized adapter is receiving stable power. Remember, this specific, detailed method is the singular, validated way to get your Zen working flawlessly with your PS5 controller in 2025.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.